Working with Business Glossary Manager. Creating business terms. The agenda. Creating business terms includes managing business terms, viewing or editing business terms, setting up associations for business terms, setting up additional details, adding rich media, adding tasks, viewing workflow logs, assigning valid values, moving business terms, and viewing history. Getting started with Business Glossary Manager. Click on the main menu icon to access the Irwin DI modules. Go to Data Literacy and select the Business Glossary Manager and go to Explore. Creating business terms. Go to the Business Terms tab. The workspace switches to the Business Terms view. In the Asset Workspace pane, under the Business Terms node, right-click a catalog node. Click New Business Term. The New Business Term page appears. Enter appropriate values to the fields. Fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. Click Save, and a business term is created and added to the catalog. Managing business terms. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. In Grid View tab, use the Options column for a business term. Use the following options to manage business terms: View Mind Map, Edit Business Term, Delete Business Term, View History, and Share Link. View Business Term details and its properties on the View Business Term tab. On the Business Terms Summary page, click a business term. View Business Term tab opens. View the business term list. View term details. View other properties to view or edit the business term properties, workflow status, governance responsibilities, sensitivity classification, etc. On the View Business Term tab, click Edit. Term Details. Use this section to edit business term details such as its definition and description. Governance Responsibilities. Edit Governance Responsibilities assignment. It displays roles groups based on the roles and users assigned to a business term catalog. To edit governance responsibilities, click a role group and add or remove users. Edit SDI classification of a business term. Miscellaneous. Use this section to associate enterprise tags with business terms. Click Tags and select an existing tab or enter a tag name to create one on the fly. Business Term Image Uploader. Upload an image corresponding to a business term. Click plus and then browse and select the image. Associate business terms with business assets, business policies and other business terms, and technical assets, columns, environments, and tables. On the Compact View tab, click Associations. Associations tab opens in edit mode. In the Asset Type, Business Policies, Business Terms, Columns, Environments, and Tables list, select an asset type to associate with the business term. Click plus. The Relationship Association page appears. Based on the asset type that you select, it displays a list of available assets. Select assets to associate with your business term. If you know the asset name, use the Search Partial Matches field to help locate it. Click Save, and the selected assets are associated with the business term and added to the list of associations. Setting up additional details. Add additional custom information about a business term to add more context. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Term page opens in edit mode. Click the Additional Information tab. The Additional Information page appears in edit mode. Add information to the available user-defined fields. We can configure UI labels of these fields in Configuring Language Settings. Click Save to add the new information to the business term. Adding rich media. Add supporting artifacts such as text files, audio files, video files, etc. to a business term. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The Business Term page opens in edit mode. Click Rich Media Library tab. Click plus from the Rich Media Library tab. Enter appropriate values in the fields. Click Save, and the selected rich media file and its description are added to the business term. Adding tasks. To collaborate on business assets, you can create tasks depending on your requirement. By default, you can create to-do tasks, access requests, or issues. You can configure custom task types via the task type configuration. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The business term page opens in edit mode. Click the My Action Center tab. Click Add Task and the list of task types appear. Create the new task page appears. Enter the appropriate values in the fields. Click Save and the task is created and saved. Use the Chat tab to send messages to the assigned and external users of the task. Adding tasks. Configuring task types. Configure task types to categorize tasks. By default, 3 task types, to-do task, request access, and issue are available. You cannot edit or delete these task types. In the Utility section, click the Configure icon. The Task Type Configuration pane appears. It displays a list of available task types. In the Add New Task Type, enter the new task type, Schedule Job, in the space provided and click plus. The task type Schedule Job is added in the list of available tasks. Use the Edit and Delete options to manage task types. Managing tasks. On the Task tile, click the ellipsis. View task details include the task name, description, assigned assets, and attached documents. Edit task details to update the task details. Disable notification to stop receiving notifications related to a task. Download chat as text to download chat related to a task in TXT format, and send chat as email to share the chat related to a task via an email. Viewing workflow logs. View the flow of actions for the workflow assigned to a business term. Along with other information, the workflow log displays the current state of the business term. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The business term page opens in edit mode. Click the Workflow Log tab. The Workflow Log tab displays only the stages of the workflow and highlights the current stage. Expand Users and Roles displays users and roles associated with each workflow stage. The log summary. Use this pane to view the log of the actions performed. Export the workflow log summary in Excel format. Assigning valid values. Associate valid values, published code sets, to a business term. This enables you to maintain standard codes for business terms across the organization. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The business term page opens in edit mode. Click the Valid Values tab. Click Assign or Remove Code Sets. The Published Code Set page appears. Select Code Sets. Click Save, and the selected code sets are associated with the business term and are added to the Valid Values list. Moving business terms. Move business terms from one catalog to another and preserve catalog hierarchy while moving the business terms. Select Catalog, Child Care Providers and Facilities. Select Grid View. The list of business terms in the catalog appears. Select the required rows or use the checkbox at the top to select all of the rows. Click Move. Move Assets page appears. Select a destination catalog. Select Skip Existing Assets and move new business terms into the destination catalog. Select Override Existing Assets. Replace any existing business terms in the destination catalog. Select Preserve Catalog Hierarchy. Switch Preserve Catalog Hierarchy to Yes to enable options for preserving the catalog hierarchy. Click Move and the business term is moved to the selected catalog. Viewing History. On the Compact View tab, click Edit. The business term page opens in edit mode. Click the History tab. The History page appears. view the change history related to a business term. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit irwin.com.